Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and this is yet another video review. Today I will be looking at the OCZ Goliath Cooler. This is the cooler. This cooler comes with 4 options for fans. It comes with the big Delta, the 80mm by 38mm, and it also comes with another Delta as an option, 60 by 38, and it comes with the YS Tech fan option, which is 60 by 25mm, and it also comes with a little mini fan that's really quiet, and that is 4 options with this particular cooler. Now the two I'll be looking at today is the Delta. This is the 60 by 38mm, and the YS Tech, which is a 60 by 25mm. Let's just go over some of the features of this particular cooler. What you can notice here, of course, is it does have an easy on, easy off design, so you can use your thumb, as you can see here. Very simple to twist this and pop it on your motherboard without any problems whatsoever. You also have the really great reflectiveness of this. You can see here it's certainly very smooth, which is great because that means good contact between the cooler and your CPU. Now that the fan is removed from the cooler, you can actually see the copper fins. There are 36 very thinly spaced copper fins on this heatsink. Of course, the more fins you have, the better. And certainly this is a cooler which does attribute itself to that. It does, having these copper fins and having a really good fan on top, as well as a smooth base on the bottom. All of those certainly really result in some fantastic marks on the Celsius temperature side. Also, something else to note with this cooler is the clip. It does have clips on each side, and it has 3. So this will not only clip into the one here like so on the other side, it'll clip 3 on this side as well as on this side. Most coolers these days still go with 1 on this side and just 1 on the other side. So certainly when this thing is clamped in, it's going to be very tight and very snug on your cooler, and that is important. Let me now look at some of the results that I had using these 2 particular fans. This here, of course, is the Delta fan. Quite a loud little fan, but it does yield some fantastic results. And this is the YS Tech fan. Let me first go over some of the results I got using this fan here. I'm using an AMD 1900 Plus at 1.75 volts. The results I got using this fan are 29C at idle and 36C at max load. On the YS Tech fan, I got a result of 30C at idle and 40C at max load. Now, just go over some more details on these 2 particular fans. This fan, of course, is louder. It's around 55 dB, and it pushes 50 CFMs, and it's 8,000 RPMs. This one here is around 46 dB, pushing around 40 CFMs at 7,000 RPMs. Let me now plug in these 2 fans, and you can have a listen and see the difference between them. This is the Delta, 8,000 RPMs at 55 dB. Let me now plug this beast in, and you can listen to it. It is going to be, of course, pretty loud. Let's now plug in the YS Tech fan and see in comparison how loud it is. And this is the YS Tech fan. As you can hear, it's a little bit quieter. Again, the difference here between these, the Delta is 55 dB and the YS Tech is 46 dB. Overall, an excellent cooler. Price, it is very affordable. Performance, 36C, using an AMD 1900 Plus at max load is really something else. The only negative that I can find with this cooler is the noise levels. And of course, in this category of cooler, you will get this kind of noise level. You're going to have to deal with fans that are 8,000 RPMs plus if you want maximum performance and maximum cooling. There is, however, a quieter fan which you can get with this particular heatsink. So if you want quieter, not a problem. You can get the quieter fan on this cooler. This fan, again, price, performance, the option to go quiet if you want to. In saying all that, I give this a 9.5 out of 10. One of the best coolers I've reviewed to date. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back in a few days, and I will have a brand new video review for you then. Also, be sure to check out my website at www.3dgameman.com, and while you're there, check out the forums. Until the next time, take care.